Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you forgot this password to your Motorola Moto G05. So, in such case, if you have an alternative way to sign into your device, for example, fingerprint scanner or face unlock scanner, then use it to unlock your device and back up all the important data you have on your smartphone, either using a microSD card or connect your device to your computer via cable, or use a cloud service which you can access by going to settings, then scrolling down to system settings, and in system settings select backup and backup your data. Then perform a factory reset operation, and you can perform it in two ways, which I'm gonna describe later in this video. But first of all, if you cannot access your device at all and you want to regain access to your smartphone, the best way to do that would be by reaching out to Motorola customer support service and telling them about your issue. And if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, for example, by showing your receipt or the box, the original box from the store where you bought this phone, now they'll be able to help you out recovering the access to your device without removing any data from it. Now, if this option is unavailable for you, then you can still perform the factory reset operation, as I said before. And to do that, you can either enter the recovery mode on this smartphone. If you'd like to know more about how to enter recovery mode and how to perform factory reset to recovery mode on this device, check out the other video on our channel, which is titled How to Perform Factory Reset Operation Through Recovery on this device. And that's one way to do it. Now, the other way to perform a factory reset operation is to access the internet through any other device of yours that has internet access. Sign into your Google account on the Find Hub website. Sign into the Google account that is linked with your Motorola, and then go to Devices. In Devices, find your Motorola G05 and select Factory Reset Device. This will perform the factory reset operation remotely, and after that you'll be able to set up your device once again and set a new password for yourself. And now the last thing I want to mention is that if you do remember the password to your smartphone but still cannot access it because your phone won't accept your password, this might be caused by some third-party application interference. And to outrule this possibility, we're gonna have to enter the safe mode where no third-party applications are running. And since the phone is locked, in order to enter the safe mode, we're gonna have to force boot the safe mode. And to do that, hold down the power button and volume up keys of your smartphone until your screen goes off. This will make your device shut down. And after it shuts down, start holding down the power button until you see the Hello Moto logo on your screen. Wait for about 3 to 5 seconds after it appears, and then start holding down the volume down button and keep holding it until your phone boots up. Then on your lock screen, you should be able to see the safe mode indicator. Unlock your device and enter the password. And if your device accepts your password this time before figuring out which application could have caused this issue, let's go to settings and remove the password first. So in settings, select security and privacy, then go to device unlock, then select screen lock, enter your password once again, and then change it to either none or swipe. Tap delete to proceed, and then restart your device back into the normal mode simply by pressing power button and volume up keys together and selecting restart. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.